NutriChef Halogen Oven Countertop. Somwell Convection Oven. Wisfer Infrared Halogen Oven, best for durable top element in stainless steel. Since the lapse halogens oven use are more efficient, they will also cook faster, reducing the working time, thus energy consumption even more. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1. 12 functions. Choose the preset that's best for you without needing to set a temperature. Pick from toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, or select warm to keep your food ready to serve. Convection function. Reduce your cooking time by using the Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Use the convection fan for fast and even cooking, especially if you like crispy results. Number 2. Multifunctional 10-in-1 oven, convection oven, steam bake mode, air fry, dehydrate, grill, reheat, toaster, proofer, rice cooker. 10-in-1 versatile oven. Enjoy cooking with more possibilities. A healthier way of cooking. Steam cooking preserves more nutrients in the food than other high-heat cooking methods and requires minimum. Number 3. Intuitive digital controls. Set cook temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Unlike the primitive methods that regulate temperature by turning the heater on and off, our heater never turns off while cooking. Save your own recipes. Number 4. Produces crispier exterior and moist tender interior with less oil, providing you with perfect taste and healthy diet. The innovative dual cook function enables you to combine any two functions in preset. Make complex recipes effortless, enrich the dish's flavor. Double glass door heat insulation reduces heat loss, effectively reduces preheat time. Enamel baking pan, easy to clean, fry basket, oven rack, rotisserie spit fork, rotisserie lift, and crumb tray. Come with a cookbook including 30 effortless recipes. All accessories are detachable and dishwasher safe. IDO quality and service and warranty ETL certified. IDO offers 30 days money back guarantee, 1-year warranty, and a lifetime technical consultation. If any problems, please feel free to contact us via Amazon. Problems will be solved within 24 working hours. Number 5. Worrying about cooking for the large family? Either way, this toaster oven air fryer was thoughtfully designed with the whole family in mind. The spacious 20-liter capacity fits 6 slices of toast, an 11-inch pizza, or whole chicken, so you can easily cook a variety of dishes. 10-in-1 air fryer. This air fryer toaster oven is not only an air fryer, but also a rotisserie, dehydrator, pizza grill, and oven toaster. With wide temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this large air fryer allows you to air fry, bake, grill, roast, toast, dehydrate, and rotisserie. Even crisp technology and less oil. 360 degrees rapid air thermal circulation. High-tech comprehensively wraps the ingredients, retains the original deliciousness of the ingredients. The Plus Air Fryer's oven circulates superhot air around your food instead of oil to cook. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.